Welcome back everybody. So guys, in this class we're just about to learn the tabs. As we've created the tabs in the Bootstrap, we are just going to create the tabs in a jQuery UI, but now we are just using the method of the jQuery UI. So how we can do that? Just create the main div, and the main div must have an ID to call that main div in the jQuery UI. So what the ID I should place here, I'm just typing here the tab. Okay, the tab, and I'm just going inside, and then in the same way as we just put the data in the accordion, we can put the data, the text and the headings inside it. But the way is a little bit changed here. We have to call the headings or the menu names separately inside the UL. I'm just going to show you inside the list way the UL, and just go inside, and here just create LIs, multiple LIs we need, and here the home, duplicate the, just like the software, duplicate the technology, duplicate, and then the contact us. Now save and just go after the UL. And as you can see that we've created the headings or the menus, so now we can create the divs. So what to do here? We just need to add the ID here, TABS, tabs, and then the hyphen and 1, tabs 1. This one is the first one, and put the content inside it, inside the p tag. Well, this is not necessary to use a p tag. We can use the UL, the LIs means the headings. We can use anything. We can create a complete form inside them, just like I've created the heading for the form. Well, by the way, I'm just going to the browser and I'm just opening the ellipsum.com again for getting the data from the ellipsum.com. It's opening. And now I'm just gonna search the data from there to the whole data, copy and paste to this P, and save, and now go back to the browser here and just refresh. Now you can see that the home, software, technology, and contact us, and this text. Just why? Because the jQuery UI has not applied yet. So what I'm just doing, I'm just pressing enter and then another div here, and another ID, and now the tabs 2. And what more, go back to the browser, and here is the another text, copy and paste here inside a p tag, just to show you the example. Paste there and save, and then again do the same thing, the div, and then, or why not just copy the top one, the first one, and paste there. Okay, and this should be tabs 3, and I'm just making this tabs because this will be more perfect, the tabs and the tabs 1, 2, and the 3. So now save, and I'm just going to the browser, and here I'm just closing this one and refreshing the page. Now you can see that the content is here completely. So what more I can do, I'm just going back to the notepad, and here I'm just applying the jQuery UI. We should not forget the basic method of the jQuery, which you know, this one. In here we just need to select the selector, and the selector is TABS, the tabs, and go there. And what we need to put here, we just need to put the TABS, the tabs here, and go back to the browser. I'm just going and refresh the page, and now you can see that it has become the tab. But what happened here, all the headings are in the same line, and then all the text are in the same way. Basically this is not working perfectly. Okay, go back to the notepad, and here just press space, or just go there after the li, inside the first and last tag of the li, just press the a tag in this way. And there, did you remember the idea of these divs, the tabs 1, the tabs 2, the tabs 3? Here, as you know that how we call the ID in the href, in the hyperreference, by adding the hash sign, the tabs 1, copy this one and paste there, and again do the same, paste there, and then paste. I think I have to delete the contact us because I just created 3 tabs, so let's just delete that. and completely. Now save, and this should be tabs 2, the tabs 3, and here let's just end all them and save and go back to the browser and refresh. Now you can see that all them in a perfect manner. Just click on the software, you are just getting software, the text which is inside the software, the technology, the home. And again, this is not necessary to put the p tag here. We can put anything at all, whichever we want. Okay, but again, as we did in the accordion, if you just click on the home, so home is visible. If you just click on software, so the software is visible, but one of them must be open. We can't hide all of them. So now if you just want to make collapsible all of them, so go back to the notepad, and here just add the curly braces and go inside, and then again the COLL collapsible, make it true, and save the page and go back to the browser and refresh the page. Now click on the software, the technology, and the home, and again click on any page 2 times, and now you can see that all of them has been hidden, which means it's going perfectly. Well, now do you want to update the event? You know that the event is click now. I mean to say, whenever you click on any of the tab or the head of the tab, you will get the data. So go to the browser, and here just press just put a comma and press enter, and just type the event, the event, and what type here, the mouse over, save and go back to the browser and refresh. Now, oh, something's wrong here, so go back to the browser. Yeah, this value is in a string, not the boolean or the integer. So refresh that back. Now you can see that all these things are perfect, but hover the mouse, and now you can see that the content is showing without click, basically just on the hover of the mouse. So guys, we've learned a lot of things in this tabs class, so let me leave and we'll learn some more things in the next class. Stay tuned and goodbye.